Alright, now let's talk about the array command, which is simply a command that allows you to copy a certain component or a certain item over in a line. Say you need parking spaces. So let's input a parking space here, 90 degrees here, and we want 5 parking spaces. So we go to AR. Okay, and what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to click this edge here and select it over there. So there we go. And this shows us how many more parking spaces we want. So if we want 10 parking spaces, voila, we got 10 parking spaces equally spaced right next to each other. And we can click in here and you see this the amount that I put in. You can go to 50. It goes up to 200, which is excessive, but you may need it if you're building a large parking lot for a mall or some kind of concert area or anything like that. Okay. So there's that. Let's go ahead and put in a tree or something. Cherry blossom tree component. Okay, so we'll click on here. AR is the command for array. And let's say I want to move them 15 feet apart from each other. 15 and a half feet. Okay, and we want 5 trees lined up. There you go. You got 5 trees perfectly spaced, perfectly aligned, and you're set to go.